The navigation menu is basically divided into 3 sections. The top section contains the most frequently used actions in the app. This middle section contains shortcuts to all of the literature, videos, pictures you have stored in your sales presentation. And the third section, the More section, is where you set all your personal defaults for the Sales Builder Pro app. When you're in a hurry, use the Quick Proposal feature. Remember, the Quick Proposal feature creates a brand new customer and a new sales call, or a job as we call it in Sales Builder Pro, every time you use it. Use View Schedule to view sales calls that have been assigned to you in the future or for today. You'll start your calls here, you'll accept your calls here, and you'll arrive in the schedule. If you have purchased the Quality Installation Checklist feature, this is the only time you will see the Open Form option. When you're ready to present to the customer, you tap on Present. Use the Search feature to look for a quote that you've written in the past. You can search by customer number, name, or the date range. Use the Schedule Job feature to schedule a job for today or at any date in the future. Section 2 provides shortcuts to all of the items that are contained behind each of your sales presentation buttons. And finally, the More section. We have a direct link to our help desk here. Use this to find information, documentation, videos, schedule webinars. Everything you need to know about using Sales Builder Pro is on our help desk. Be sure and check it out. The Refresh Data button will look to the cloud for any updates that have occurred to your schedule or your database after your first login of the day. The app will always refresh on your first login of the day. As a user, you will use the Check Versions to check on the progress of a download. Remember, all of your pricing, brochures, pictures, videos, everything is stored on your tablet, which means you don't have to be online to build a proposal. Use this button when you want to check on the progress of a download. Occasionally, we will ask you to check your versions if we're troubleshooting an issue on your app. Download past jobs. If you need to replace a tablet, if you break your tablet, or if you log into a different tablet, after you log into the app, you'll need to download past jobs to the new tablet. Again, remember, everything is stored on your tablets. If you're looking for a proposal that you wrote last week and you're using a different tablet, you'll have to download that proposal from last week to the tablet. Download past jobs will download 12 months of jobs, 12 months of quotes, the associated quality installation checklist forms, and any customers that are associated with your database for the last 12 months, that is. Settings is where you'll come to set your personal default settings for when you use the app. One that is frequently used by our contractors is Show Line Item Pricing. This is usually turned off. That allows you to present a quote to a customer as a system price without any individual prices for any of the equipment, accessories, add-ons, or materials. You scroll down a little bit, you'll see we have a section for decklist design criteria. These set your autofills. These are specific to your region of the country. And finally, the last section, taxes and fees. This is for taxes that will be applied as a sales tax to the total sale price and will display on the customer's quote. Any changes made to a default setting will apply to new quotes only. Your default settings will never look backwards and make changes to a previously written quote. In My Profile, you can make changes to your first name, last name, your phone number, address, and your company. These names appear on the customer email, and when you're in the app, you'll see your first name, last name. You cannot change your email address. That is a unique user ID. If you need to change your email address, please contact your customer success specialist. And lastly, there's log out. We highly recommend that you log out at least once a week. It's a healthy software practice. You can find more information about each of these topics on our help desk. Follow the links provided in the video topic associated with this video.